What's in the cookie jar? Let's find out. This is Carol's Best Ever Sugar Cookie. Welcome to Cedarcroft. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Barbara, and this is my mom, Nancy, and I usually neglect to introduce her. Today, we are going to make a recipe that was handed down to my mom from a church friend way back in 1970s, right?
Yes.
So it's quite old. It is really a good recipe. It is for Carol's Best Ever Sugar Cookies. And I really do like these cookies. They're easy. And so let's get started. Mom's gonna go ahead and she's gonna handle all of it. Do you need a wooden spoon, Mom?
No.
Oh, that's right. Okay.
I'm going to use a mixer.
Okay. So she put sugar in the bowl.
And the butter together.
And butter. So we have 1 cup of butter and 2 cups of sugar.
And this might be a little loud. Okay.
Okay, the next ingredient would be, well, we've got 3 liquid ingredients. We have 2 eggs, 1 cup of oil, and we're using grapeseed oil.
Never did this before.
We've never used grapeseed oil in a cookie before, so we're going to find out how it
And
tastes.
the vanilla.
And a teaspoon of vanilla. And I did put a little extra in there, but not on purpose. Okay, so we're going to
I put a little extra on purpose. Now,
Okay, so now we have 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar and 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 5 cups, it says unsifted flour. Good. We're just going to mix that up. Oh, Mom is trying not to create a funnel cloud of flour. So do you see, she's just stirring it a little bit with the mixer before she turns it on. That's a pretty dough. Okay, we're ready to roll the dough. What we're going to do is scoop out balls of cookie dough, and then Mom is going to dip the bottom of this. It's a little decanter, but it has a design on the bottom, like a little star or flower design on the bottom. What you do is dip this in the sugar and then press down gently on the cookie to make an impression. And that's how we make these cookies. So she's going to do that.
hopefully this works.
Hopefully that works. We had a glass that Mom used for these cookies, but it somehow got misplaced in the move, and so we're not going to use a parchment paper, right?
No.
Okay, so I'm just going to drop these. How far apart do they need to be, Mom?
About 3 across and 4 down.
Okay, so I'm going to do 4 across because I have it sideways.
Oh, okay.
So 3 by 4, that's good. Good amount.
As if this is going to work.
This cookie dough is so soft and it's really nice. Not quite.
I was afraid it would get stuck.
Yeah. Dip it in some more sugar maybe.
I didn't know what that first one was going to do.
That did good.
See, I didn't know what it was going to do.
Right. Right.
Now, they might spread a little bit more.
Okay.
I think they do. I didn't get that in the middle.
That's okay. It'll still have the design, so we'll be okay. This cookie scoop makes it easy.
Well, why didn't I use that?
I don't know. I didn't think about it. Okay, I'll get the other pan. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do. Okay, pretty. Now, so she's made an impression on all of these cookies. We're going to bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. It's time for a taste test, and this is the best ever sugar cookie. Carol was right. Ready to give it a test?
Ready.
Okay. Woo! This cookie, light, crispy. This would be a great cookie to serve if you were having a tea party, because it kind of just melts in your mouth. Does it taste like you remember?
Oh, yes. Crunchy and good. And it'd be good for your grandchildren.
The kids would love this. The old folks would love this. 1 out of 10, I would give this cookie a solid 9. I mean, I would give it a 10.
For a sugar cookie, a 10.
A 10 out of 10 for a sugar cookie, Mom has declared, and I actually kind of agree. Out of all the cookies, though, out of all the cookies in the world, I would give this a 9 out of 10, but out of all the sugar cookies in the world, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. You can taste the butter in it, and yet it's not a heavy sugar cookie. It is a light, airy, crispy, delicious, melt in your mouth kind of sugar cookie. Give it a try. And as always, thank you for joining me on this adventure back to Cedarcroft, and thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.